Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, I am going you to provide a quick walkthrough of this Power BI dashboard, which I've recently created for one of my client. So this is visuals that represents the sales charts where we have a data using Excel. So this dashboard represents the data of 23 and 24 year, where we have different types of cards, which is total transaction count and average. So this card shows us the data of total sales, which we have in 23 and 24 here. Next, the transaction count. And this card shows us the average sales, which we have in both 23 and 24 year. This one is the button, which is a filter, which creates a filter for 23 and 24. And then we have another filters as well for month, product name, and category. So now this is a bar graph which provides us the information of top 3 products by quantity. So this is the top 3 products data that has been represented through bar graph. Then another bar graph that shows the insights of top 10 products by value. Then there is a table for 23 and 24 here, which has the category column and then total quantity for 2023 and 2024, as well as we have total sales for the year as well. And this bar graph represents the sales through city. So sales of Mumbai, sales of Delhi, and Bangalore and Chandigarh. So it provides us the figures of various cities in one graph. And then the last graph that I created is quantity by category, which is the category wise quantity we have displayed here. So this clothing represents this visual of 331 count, and then toys for 276. So these all are different types of quantity by category that we have represented here. Now, if I want to filter it out for 2023 data, so I can just click on this filter, where these all figures gets changed automatically once I click on this filter. And so let's see if I want to see year 2023 with the month, let's say, because we have only August month, December month, so we can just select any one of the month and we can see, as well as we have the category as well, the category filter. So if I want to see the toys, let's see. So this data gets changed and the graphs are refreshed automatically. Now for the toys in the year 2023, we have top 3 products that are refreshed now. And these are the refreshed products for toys. The only one where we can see here, only toys is filtered. And again, these are the data which we have got for toys data. Again, we can filter out for different category. So this chart will get refreshed. And if you want to see the 2024 data, so we can just select 2024 here in this button. This data gets refreshed. And of course, we can just select any month out of this one. So I hope you may found useful this video. So if you want to have some customizations, or if you want to create similar dashboard using Power BI, so you can just connect with me and we can have that done. So I will be providing my personal details, my email ID and my contact details in the description part of this video. So you can just reach me out and we can connect and discuss. So thank you for this and have a good day. Take care. Bye.